This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yam stew sauce full guide. Begin by peeling and cubing yams, then blanch them briefly to reduce cooking time. Chop onions, tomatoes, and peppers and set them by the stove. Heat palm oil gently until warm, then sauté onions and blended tomatoes to build flavor. Season gradually, tasting as you go, and fold in yams near the end for a rich, saucy finish. Start by heating palm oil and gently frying onions until soft and fragrant, then add blended tomatoes and peppers for a balanced base. Maintain a gentle simmer to reduce acidity and concentrate sweetness, while stirring every few minutes to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust salt, stock, or bouillon cubes for depth. Fold in partially cooked yams near the end and simmer briefly so they soak up the sauce without falling apart. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes it easy to set multipurpose timers, play music while you cook, and keep hands-free control in a busy kitchen. It's small, affordable, and great for following recipe steps aloud. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Season gradually, starting with a pinch of salt and a small bouillon cube or a splash of stock to build umami. Balance heat with fresh peppers and a mild chili if you prefer less spice, or add more for kick. Brighten the stew at the end with a squeeze of lime or a dash of vinegar if desired, and stir in chopped herbs for freshness. Always taste and tweak until it sings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.